Grand Prix event thus far. But first up, a young pair from the United States, Brittany Vise and Nicholas Kole.
This couple is gaining some experience. They are the Junior Grand Prix final silver medalists from last year, 8th in the U.S. Spend some time getting on the ice here. A little nonchalant. Compare that with how Topianen and Marinen get on the ice. Their short program is 8 required elements. Brittany and Nicholas start off here with the forward inside death spiral. Side-by-side triple toe loops. He wasn't tight enough in the air and has a fall there. Jump, throw, triple loop. Good recovery. I mentioned the Cup of Russia in St. Petersburg. They were 5th after the short program there. Thrilled, really, with their performance. And this is such a great experience for this young team from Colorado, especially to have the 2 events right in a row. Hip lift. Into 2 arms, into a dismount there. You'll see top pairs doing that with 1 arm.
Brittany certainly looks mature for her age, but you have to remember she's only a high school senior. She actually broke her foot last February, was forced to undergo 2 separate surgeries, and really only this past July was back to full strength with the ability to practice and compete.
So aside from the fall on that triple toe, that was a solid performance for Brittany and Nicholas. They have the U.S. Nationals to look forward to, and they have an outside chance of making that Olympic team. There are 2 spots. It started off, watch Nicholas, he does not get tight enough in the air. The rotation is just not fast enough. He doesn't get around, can't quite check out. The fall will be counted to both of them. That's what happens in pairs.
A personal best in the short program of 49.59. And Vise and Kole, by virtue of Nicholas's fall with the 1-point deduction, a short program total of 42.92. So Brittany Vise and Nicholas Kole set the pace, but they are certain to be tracked down, one would think, by the 2005 world bronze medalist